Hi friends! Welcome back to VArts. Today we will learn to make bookmarks. This is the sample of the bookmark which we will be making in our today's video. As you all can see, this is completely greeny, but we will be making something which is pinkish, red and stuff. The materials required to make the pinky reddy bookmark are paints, red ribbon, Fevistick, punching machine of star shape. If you want, you can go for other shape or circle, thermocol pieces, sketch pens of two colors, black and red, scissor. It can be of any color, not only red. Red color paper. You need only red color paper if you're going with the design of mine. And a rough paper because we are using paints and we don't want it to come on our table. Let's move the materials aside and start making our base of the bookmark. So here I have taken the red sheet. Then fold it in half. Like this. Then unfold and fold till the line. And repeat the same in the other side. And again unfold. Now we will apply glue in these three boxes. So let's take glue. Here we go, and let's apply it. There, now start folding it like this. And there. Now it's time to paint our bookmark. So I've got the paint brushes, which are thermocol sheet pieces, and paints in these caps. Now let's dip the paint brush in our paint. Leave some excess outside. And make sure that it's like circles but not like lines. Like this. There we go. Now one side is done. Now do the same with the other three sides. Now it's time for us to put the white color, and remember to use not very but less amount of white, because already we've got pink in the base. And we don't want white or peach to cover the pink. So we will do it like this. In all the four corners. There we go. Now let's move the other materials aside and let our bookmark dry for some time. So it needs around 5 to 10 minutes to dry. Now here we have our completely dried bookmark. Now we will write the matter on top, but if you want you can also draw a picture. It's up to you. Let's take the red and black sketch. Now let's take the sketches and start writing our description, which is a book is a dream you hold in your hands. So I've written this in my handwriting, but if you want you can change. Now let's draw a book, a rough diagram of the book. It shouldn't be very clean, neat or anything. According to me, it's my taste. If you want you can do it in your way. There we go. Now our bookmark is done. Let's give some effect with red sketch. The shadow effect. I'll show the close-up after I complete. There you all can see the close-up. It's the full thing, so y'all can clearly see the shadow effect which I've given here. Now fold this to half, not full but a bit, and insert the stamp punching machine and press. Be careful while doing this. Don't do it in the reverse side like me. Do it in the other side or the correct side. See, there's the star on my hand because I did it reverse. Now let's take the red ribbon, cut it with scissors, and be careful while cutting the ribbon with scissors because you may hurt yourself. Here you go, almost done. Yeah, now as you can see, after cutting the ribbon you get this thing out, the string. It's not a problem at all. Leave it. It will look like a splendid design. Now fold this and put it inside the hole and bring it out like this. And now we will tie a knot on top. If you have a thin ribbon, you can use the thin ribbon. As I don't have a red color thin ribbon, I'm not using that, and I'm using this, the fat one. This fat one will also look good. I won't say that it's very bad, but still the thin one looks much better. And with this, our bookmark is done. A very good bookmark. And here's the green color one. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the video, and click on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video on. Bye!